Welcome back to Fun Food Stories, where weeknight chaos turns into delicious calm, and every bite brings back your sanity. I know what it's like. You walk through the door after a wild day. Your feet are tired, your brain is fried, and dinner feels like the mountain you just can't climb. But tonight, I've got you covered with not one, not two, but 3 flavor-packed quick dinner recipes that you can whip up with one pan, minimal ingredients, and almost no effort. These dishes are bold, comforting, and come together faster than your group chat can plan a movie night. And trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to want to save this to your favorites. Now, if you love easy meals with big flavor, this is the time to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who needs a dinner miracle on a Monday night. Let's get sizzling. Our first recipe is a weeknight lifesaver. Cheesy ground beef skillet with hidden veggies. It's rich, saucy, cheesy, and everything your tired soul craves, all in one skillet. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add 1 small chopped onion and sauté it until soft and golden, about 5 minutes. Toss in 2 minced garlic cloves, and when that aroma hits, you'll know it's time. Add 1 pound of ground beef. Break it up with your spatula and cook until browned and no longer pink. Then sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and half a teaspoon of oregano. Stir in 1 cup of finely chopped zucchini or bell pepper. Don't tell anyone, but this is how we sneak in veggies that even picky eaters won't notice. Next, pour in 1 can of diced tomatoes and half a cup of tomato sauce. Simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until thick and bubbling. Now here comes the magic. Stir in 1 cup of cooked rice and 3/4 of a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Mix it all together, top with more cheese, cover the skillet, and let it melt into a gooey dream for just a few minutes. This dish is a perfect meal prep hero. Double it, and you've got lunch the next day. It's loaded with protein, fiber, and just enough hidden greens to feel good about. Serve it with a dollop of sour cream or plain yogurt and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro for a taco night twist. Leftovers? No problem. Store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days or freeze for up to 3 months. It reheats beautifully. Do you have any sneaky veggie tricks you use to get your kids or your picky eater spouse to eat more greens? Share your best hacks in the comments. I'd love to hear your creative ideas. Now hold on to your apron because the second recipe is 1 pan honey mustard chicken with veggies. A tray of golden chicken, caramelized carrots, and crispy baby potatoes drenched in a dreamy, sticky glaze. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 minced garlic clove, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Take 4 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, pat them dry, and season with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. On a sheet pan, spread out 2 cups of baby carrots, 2 cups of halved baby potatoes, and 1 red onion cut into wedges. Toss the veggies with olive oil, salt, pepper, and half a teaspoon of dried thyme. Nestle the chicken thighs among the veggies, and brush them generously with your honey mustard glaze. Roast for 30 to 35 minutes, flipping the veggies halfway through and spooning pan juices over the top. You'll know it's ready when the chicken is golden, the potatoes are crispy, and the whole kitchen smells like comfort and glory. Parchment paper keeps cleanup easy and saves you scrubbing time. This dish is high in protein, rich in vitamins, and totally balanced. Serve it with a lemon wedge and a side of steamed green beans, or a light salad to round it out. This also works great for meal prep. Store in the fridge for up to 3 days, or freeze the chicken and veggies in a Ziploc bag for up to a month. Don't have Dijon mustard? You can swap in regular mustard, or even use a bit of Greek yogurt and regular mustard for a creamy twist. And now, brace yourself, because the third recipe is my lazy day obsession. Beef and broccoli stir-fry with a sweet savory kick. Slice 3/4 of a pound of flank steak thinly against the grain. Toss it in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Let it rest while you make the sauce. Whisk together 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 minced garlic clove, and 1 tablespoon of water. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok. Sear the beef in batches over high heat. Give it space so it gets that perfect sear. Remove and set aside. Add 2 cups of broccoli florets to the pan with 1/4 cup of water. Let it steam for 4 minutes until tender but still vibrant. Return the beef to the skillet, pour in the sauce, and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until glossy and coated in deliciousness. A pinch of baking soda in the marinade makes the beef melt in your mouth tender. This stir-fry is iron-rich, satisfying, and better than takeout guaranteed. Serve it over hot jasmine rice, noodles, or cauliflower rice if you're going low-carb. This stir-fry keeps well for up to 2 days in the fridge. Reheat in the pan to keep that crispy texture. Not a fan of beef? Try swapping it for chicken breast or shrimp. Or for a vegetarian option, tofu works beautifully in this stir-fry. And there you have it. 3 quick, hearty, flavor-stacked weeknight dinners that will make your kitchen your favorite place to be, even on your most hectic nights. If you love this lineup, and let's be honest, your dinner table is already thanking you, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video with every busy friend who deserves a break from bland meals. Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're trying first, or if you want to see more 5-ingredient meals, freezer hacks, or lazy one-pan wonders. Until next time, keep your stove hot and your stories delicious, right here on Fun Food Stories.